Good morning to all of you. Myself Dr. Ramchandra Panda. Now I will do the class physics, subject physics. Last class I have done 25 number of problems and today I will start 26. The chapter topic is unit and dimension. Clear? I will giving detail the problems and theory classes which are very important for JEE Main and NEET examination as well as for board examination. Both to CHSE, ICSE and CBSE. Clear? So now I will start. The subject is physics and topic is unit and dimension. Unit and dimensions. Clear? They are very important problems. I have 27 to 30 years experience in physics. Vast experience. So I am giving that experience to you. Share my experience in this class. Now, question number 26. 26. Here, very important question. The question is the frequency of vibration of a string the frequency of vibration of a string depends on the length depends on the length L. Clear? Between the loads, length L between the loads tension F in the string, tension F in the string and the mass per unit length. The mass per unit length. Clear? Gauss expression Gaussian expression for frequency using dimensional analysis or dimensional formula. Dimensional analysis. Clear? The question is the frequency of vibration depends upon the length between two loads, the tension F in the string, and the mass per unit length M. Derive an expression for a frequency using the dimensional formula or analysis. Now, frequency of P is equal to 1 by T time period. That is T minus 1. Clear? Frequency of length L is equal to L1. Length of the string. Clear? Tension F is equal to m lt minus 2, mlt minus 2. Clear? Mass per unit length. Mass per unit length, m is equal to m by l, ml minus 1. Right? So these are the dimensional formula for frequency, length, tension and mass. Now let according to question, the frequency depends upon its length, tension and mass per unit length. That is, according to question, F is proportional to L to the power of A, F to the power of B, M to the power of C. Clear? This implies F is equal to K into L to the power of A, F to the power of B, M to the power of C. Or F, P minus 1 is equal to K means dimensionless 1, L to the power of A, F mlt minus 2 to the power of B, M to the power of C. Right? This M0 L0 T1, T minus 1. This is M0 L0 T minus 1 is equal to M to the power of B, here, B plus C, M to the power of B plus C, L to the power of A plus B, T to the power of minus 2B. Right? M to the power of B plus C, L to the power of A plus B, T to the power of minus 2B. Clear? Now, for M, comparing both sides, the powers of MLT. Clear? Or equating both sides, the powers of MLT. Right? Now, for M, what is for M? For M, B plus C is 0. For L, A plus B is 0. A plus B is equal to 0. Clear? 40 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2B is equal to minus 1. So 2B is equal to minus 1. So 2B is equal to 1. B will have as a minus 2B is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cancel out. B is equal to half. Clear? B will half. So from this equation, B plus C 0. Also, B plus C 0 or C minus B means minus half. So C is equal to minus half. Clear? C is equal to minus half. Again, A plus B 0. Again, A plus B 0. But A is equal to minus B minus half. A is equal to minus half. Clear? So put in all values in the original equation. 1. In equation 1. Right? These are values of A, B, C. A is equal to minus half. Clear? B is equal to for L. Again I will derive the expression. Again I will derive the value of A some different. Now what is F is equal to? Frequency F is equal to K into L to the power A, F to the power B, M by L to the power C. Mass per unit length is equation 1. Or M to the power C. Clear. Now what is the F is equal to? 1 by T or T minus 1 is equal to K1 L to the power A B F. F means MLT minus 2 power B. M means M by L. See, clear? This is correct. Not M by L. Last I will do. I have done M, not M by L. Mass per unit length. Sorry, that is wrong. Clear? This is correct. M by L. So T power minus 1 is equal to L power A, L to the power of, or M0, L0, T minus 1 is equal to M to the power of P plus C, L to the power of A plus C minus C, T to the power of minus 2B, minus 2B. Clear? Equating both sides, the powers of MLT. Equating both sides, the powers of MLT. This is correct. Huh? Last I have done M to the power not M by L. So for M 0 is equal to B plus C. Clear? So B plus C is equal to 0. Equation 1, 2. For L, A plus B minus C is equal to 0. Clear? For L, A plus B minus C is 0. Equation 3. 40 minus 2B is equal to minus 1. So 40 minus 2B is equal to minus 1. This is question 4. Question 4. Right? Now, solving from equation 4, minus 2 visual minus 1, right? B is equal to visual half. Similarly, from equation 2, from equation 2, from equation 2, B plus C 0, B plus C 0, C 0 minus B, and half. C 0 minus half. Right? B will have C minus half. Now A, from equation 2 or 3, from equation 3, from equation 3, A plus B minus C 0, clear? What A is equal to? C minus B. What is C? Minus half, minus half. So minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. So A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to half, C is equal to minus half. A is equal to minus 1. Putting all the values in equation 1. Now, from equation 1, F is equal to K into L to the power of minus 1, F to the power of half, M to the power of minus half. Right? What is F is equal to? K into 1 by L by M to over. Clear? So K by L to F by M. This is formula for frequency F. This F tension. Right? F is equal to small frequency F is equal to K into 1 by L hooked FM or K by L, or this will be written as K by L hooked over clear. Next question. Very important questions. Clear. So try to understand. Next question of 27. 27. Right. Test the following equations. Test the following equations. Equations are dimensionally correct. Are dimensionally dimensionally correct or not? Correct or not? Right. Now 1 A H is equal to 2s cos theta by 2s cos theta by rho rg, rho rg, right? Now 2 b is equal to root over p by rho, p by rho over 3. Capital B is equal to small b. Clear? Capital B is equal to pi p r fourth, pi p r fourth p by 8 mu l, 8 mu l or 4. Frequency f is equal to 1 by 2 pi root over mgl by I, mgl by I. Clear? So we'll check this is correct or not. Both side LHS and RHS is it correct or not. The question is the following check test. The following questions are dimensionally correct or not. Number 1, h is equal to 2s cos theta by rho rg, small b is root over p by rho, capital B is equal to pi p r fourth t by 8 mu l, and frequency f is 1 by 2 pi mgl by I, where h height, what is h is equal to height, what is dimension formula L. Clear? Height L. Next, S surface tension, S is equal to sigma surface tension. What surface tension? Force by unit length, mlt minus 2 by L, mt minus 2. S for sigma is mt minus 2. Right? mt minus 2. Next, number 3, density. Rho, mass per volume, m by L cube, mass per volume, m by L cube, ml minus 3, right? Density rho. Next, pressure P, force per area, force per area. What is force? mlt minus 2 by L square. So cancel out. This is m L minus 1 P minus 2. This is pressure P. Next, small b volume. B is volume. LQ. So volume is equal to LQ. Clear? Small velocity. Velocity L by T, LT minus 1, LT minus 1. Clear? Frequency of rho ml minus 3. Clear? H L surface S is equal to mt minus 2, pressure P is equal to ml minus 1 T minus 2, volume V is equal to LQ, velocity small v is equal to LT minus 1. These are the values of all quantities. Clear? Next, moment of inertia I. What is I is equal to? Moment of inertia. What is moment of inertia? ml square. M L2. Clear? I is equal to ml2 g. What g? Acceleration due to gravity g. What g is equal to? LT minus 2. Clear? Use these values in the equations to check LH is equal to RHS. If both are equal, correct. Not equal, not correct. Clear? Now, number one, height h. H is equal to 2s cos theta by 2s cos theta by rho rg. Rho rg. Clear? LHS. HL means M0, L0, L0, L1, E0. Clear? M0, L1, E0. This is H. Next, RHS. 2s cos theta by rho rg. Clear? Is equal to 2 a dimensionless S source tension mt minus 2 cos theta is no dimension by rho. What is rho? ml minus 1 rho ml minus 3 ml minus 3 r l g lt minus 2. Clear? cancel out, t minus 2 cancel out, l minus 2 l square l minus 1 is equal to 1 by L minus 1 is well. Upper side then go to upper side L. So RHS is equal to L, LH is equal to L. This is equal to M0, L1, E0. Clear? LHS is L, RHL. Hence, since LHS is equal to RHS, hence this equation is correct. This is correct. Number 2, H is equal to 2s rho rg. Both sides dimension same, so both are L, so this is correct. Number 2, number 2, V is equal to root over P by rho, P by rho, right? So what is B is equal to LHS. Velocity, what is B? Velocity L by T, LT minus 1, velocity B, right? RHS root over P by rho. What is P? ML minus 1, T minus 2 by rho, M L minus 3, cancel out, right? Cancel out. Clear? This is root over. Root over L2 T minus 2. That is L by T. That is LT minus 1. Clear? So RHA LT minus 1. LHA is also LT minus 1. Hence, LHS equal RHS. This is correct. Clear? LHS LT minus 1. This is also LT minus 1. Root over L square L. Root over L minus 2. T minus 2. T minus 1. This is correct. Next question number 3. Question number 3. Bit 3. B is equal to capital B. B is equal to pi p r fourth T pi p r fourth T by 8 mu L. 8 mu L. Clear? What is mu? Coefficient of viscosity. Capital B means volume. So first LHS. B is volume. LQ means M0, L3, V0. This is LQ. Next, RHS. Pi P R fourth T by 8 mu L. Pi is no dimension, dimensionless. P pressure. What is pressure? P is equal to ML minus 1, T minus 2. R fourth, length, L fourth, T, capital T, by 8 mu L. 8 mu L. 8 is no dimension, mu is equal to coefficient of viscosity, a minus 1, m1, l minus 1, t minus 1. Clear? Coefficient of viscosity, m1, l minus 1, t minus 1. L means L. Clear? Now mm cancel out, l minus 1, l minus 1 cancel out, 1 l cancel out, 3. Clear? T minus 1. T minus 1 when go to upper side, this is equal to T minus 2 L cube T into T when go to upper T, so T cancel T square, T 2T cancel out, L cube. So RHS is also L cube, LH is also L cube. What is RH? M0 L3 P0. Clear? So this is both side correct, both side equal, so LH is equal to RH, so this is correct. This is LHS is equal to RHS L. Hence this is correct. Hence this is correct. Now number 4. Frequency of is equal to frequency of is equal to 1 by 2 pi root over mgl by I. mgl by I. Clear? Now put all the values. Frequency of LHS. What is F is equal to 1 by T is equal to T minus 1. T minus 1. RHS. RHS. 1 by 2 pi put over mgl by I. Pi is no dimension, 2 pi put over m means m, g, lt minus 2, l by t. Clear? mg minus 2, I means not I ml square. I means ml square. Mm cancel out, L square cancel out, put over T minus 2 means T minus 1. Right? LHS T minus 1, RHS T minus 1. Hence, this is dimensionally correct. Here, LHS is equal to RHS is equal to minus 1, minus 1, T minus 1, T minus 1. Hence, this is dimensionally correct or correct. Hence, this is correct. Right. Next question, 28. 28. 28. Check the question, the formula integration of dx by root over a square minus x square equal 1 by a sin inverse a by x is dimensionally correct. Dimensionally correct. Where a and x, a and x are are distance. Clear? The question is integration of root over a square minus x square is equal to 1 by a sin inverse a by x is dimensionally correct or not? Where a and x are both distance. Clear? First I will derive the equation for left side, then for right side. If both are equal, this is correct. Not equal, not correct. Clear? First LHS, left hand side. LHS. Integration of dx by root over a square minus x square. This one integration of dx L by L square minus L square. Cancel out. Integration of L by 0 is infinity. 0. Integration of infinity means 0. Clear? Something by 0 is equal to infinity. Just right hand side. RHS. What is RHS? 1 by a sin inverse a by x. Sin inverse 1 by 1. Dimensionless 1 by x, L by L, sin inverse 1. Now this is 1 by a. Means 1 by L. L minus 1. Clear? LHS 0, RHS minus 1, L minus 1. So both are not correct. Hence, this is dimensionally not correct. Clear? Hence, what is LHS? Here LHS 0, RHS equal to L minus 1. Since LHS is not equal to RHS, hence the equation is dimensionally not correct. Not correct. Right? Next number 29. Very important problems. All these questions are from Hessi Burma book. Concept of physics, Hessi Burma. These are very important problems. These all problems, they all 30 problems. Today I will complete 30 number of problems. All these problems are from Hessi Burma. Clear? Which is very important book for both JEE Main and NEET examination. How many CGS pressure is equal to 1 Pascal? 1 Pascal. 1 Pascal pressure. What is the unit of pressure, Pascal? Clear? Pressure P is equal to solution. Answer. Pressure P is equal to force per area. What is the force? This is Pascal. Pascal means Newton per meter square. What is the force? MLT minus 2 L square. M L minus 1 T minus 2. The dimension formula for pressure. Now, simply I will put the values of M, L minus T minus 2, T second, or you can also derive 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square, SI unit, and 1 CGS unit is equal to CGS pressure, 1 dyne per cm square. Clear? 1 dyne per cm square. Therefore, one Pascal by 1 CGS pressure is equal to 1 Newton per meter square by 1 dyne per cm square. Clear? 1 Newton. Turn to 5 dyne by 10 to 4 cm square by dyne per cm square. 1 dyne per cm square. Clear? This is equal to 1. So this is equal to 10 dyne per cm square by 1 dyne per cm square. Dyne per cm square cancel out 10. This is equal to 10. So 1 Pascal is equal to 10 CGS pressure. 10 CGS. Clear? Next, 30. Today's last question, question 30. Question number 30. The time period T, the time period T of a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum depends upon depends upon mass, length, and acceleration due to gravity. Clear? The time period T of pendulum depends upon some powers of length, mass, and acceleration due to gravity. Depends upon some powers of length, mass, and acceleration due to gravity. Clear? The time period T of a simple pendulum depends upon some powers of length, mass, and acceleration due to gravity. Guess a formula. Guess a formula for time period T. Time period T. Right. Now, the last question of this class, very important question. Now, given E is proportional to L to the power of A, M to the power of B, G to the power of C. Clear? This is equal to T is equal to K into L to the power of A, M to the power of B, E to the power of C. Clear? K is your dimensionless constant, dimensionless. This implies capital T time period L to the power of A, M to the power of B, L by T square to the power of C. Clear? This implies M0, L0, T1 is equal to, so T means M0, L0, T1 is equal to L to the power of A, M to the power of B, L to the power of C, T minus 2C. This L to the power of A plus C. A plus C. Clear? A plus C. So comparing both sides, the powers of MLT. Comparing both sides, the powers of MLT. Clear? So for M, B is equal 0. Clear? For L, A plus C 0. For T, minus 2C is equal 1. 2C is equal 1. Clear? So minus 2C 1 means what is C is equal to? Answer. From this equation, A plus C 0, but A is equal to minus C. So minus half, half. A is equal half, C will minus half, P is equal 0. Clear? Put in the values in the equation 1. So from equation 1, what T is equal to? K into L to the power of A, M to the power of B, G to the power of C. This equation 1. Put in the values. T means T is equal to K into L. L to the power of A means half, M to the power of 0, and G to the power of minus half. This is 1. T is equal to K root over L by G. T is equal to K root over L by G. Right? This is for time period T. Thank you. This is the last question for this class. Again, I will do some theories and problems in this chapter next class. So please make like, share, subscribe, and make increase your view. Thank you.